Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day, everyone. Okay, so I'll be going to meet my bestie. It was her birthday a few days ago. I mean, it was last month in July. Yeah, I couldn't meet her on her birthday, so I'll be gifting her today. Okay, I want to show you what I got her. Probably this time I won't get a reaction video because I don't know where we're meeting. I don't know if it's appropriate to unbox my gift there. So anyways, I'll show you. Okay, for context, Amrita started baking. She started baking. She went for professional professional classes and all. So I've got her a stand. I don't know, you can keep mini cupcakes in them. This is what I got. I'll show you it. And another thing that I got is that oven mitt. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, and this is that glove to take out something, and these are just some, what do you call, I don't know, tablecloth sort of thing. And this is gamcha. It's a towel. Yeah, that's it. And the Ferrero Rocher chocolate moments. Sorry. Yeah, that's all, guys. I didn't. It took me so long to just set up the camera, and I've set it up in the most awkward place. I feel. What is this background? Anyways, I haven't packed it. I mean, I need to gift pack everything. So let's do that first. I'm so late. Amrita, if you're watching this, this is why I'm going to be late.
I could be anywhere, doing anything, seeing anyone, but why are you in my head? No second guess, every second thought, where the setup is for how your name gets involved. But I'd rather be with you. Oh, I'd rather be with you. I've been everywhere, doing everything, seeing everyone, but still stuck in my head. Do I gotta do to get over you? 'Cause I'm not over you. Is it stupid to say? But I'd rather be with you. Oh, I'd rather be with you. If I could turn back time and change my mind and do it all so different.
We just went to Daiso, and there's nothing for Daiso. Next, where we are going? Where are we going now? Starbucks. Woo! Starbucks. We have 50% off today. Only for 2nd and 3rd August in District app. Yeah.
You have that?
Yes, I have the app, girl.
Let's go.
Let's go. West side sale is going on, but there's nothing. There is a lot, but nothing for us. Hannah, we didn't find anything fascinating or, oh my god, this is amazing. We're entering H&M now. Do you guys remember in one of our vlogs? This is where I had shot a video.
हाँ.
Same Mansri Mall ka H&M ke samne. And the light was all red. It was back. I'm back on YouTube video.
Bye.
Yeah. Welcome back. Come on, let's.
But I'd rather be with you. Oh, I'd rather be with you. I've been everywhere, doing everything, seeing everyone.
So, wow, how does this look, guys? How would you judge? Yours is not a sunglass. Mine's shades, man. Yours is normal chashma. Guys, I actually used to wear these shaped glasses, normal glasses, when I was really young, and it wasn't a fashion back then. They would call me Budhima. Literally, I got bullied for wearing chashma, and now it's a trend. People wear it as fashion. I was a diva back then, guys. I was a born diva with chashma.
I've been everywhere, doing everything, seeing everyone, but stay stuck in my head. Oh, do I gotta do to get over you? 'Cause I'm not over you. Is it stupid?